Hello beautiful souls out there. This is Dr. Farhad Khan, a board certified dermatologist. I belong from Bhopal. I am trained in dermatology, trichology and cosmetology. Today we will be talking about hair growth actives. Hair cycle is divided into three phases: catagen phase, telogen phase and anagen phase. So how does minoxidil actually works? That minoxidil is going to reduce your telogen phase to prompt that dormant hair follicle growth, और इस transition की वजह से आपका telogen phase और shorten up होता है and it is going to increase that anagen phase in your hair growth cycle. Not only this, minoxidil causes a vasodilatation in the scalp that will further promote the hair growth. However, the effectiveness of minoxidil will vary among different individuals. Biotin, vitamin D and vitamin E are most studied vitamins that plays a very important role for the hair growth. They are going to strengthen the hair follicle and further increase the thickness of your hair. We have so many treatment options available in the market for hair loss, whether say it's oral or whether say it's topical. So when it comes to topical treatments, we have finasteride, dutasteride and minoxidil, which is responsible for the conversion of dihydrotestosterone into testosterone. So when you inhibit this hormone, your hair growth will improve and you will see a significant difference. Nowadays, every other person is facing hair problem issues and they want a quick fix, and for that they don't want to visit a doctor. They just want to simply buy a medicines from the medical shop, and that is over-the-counter drugs. They might give you some effectiveness initially, but it can cause severe reactions, say redness, burning and sometimes a lot of irritation. It's really important that we find out the root cause, that why your hair fall is happening. It can be because of nutritional deficiency, it can be because of hormonal imbalance and it can be because of stress also. So what actually works in all these conditions is minoxidil, finasteride, dutasteride, Procapil, Redensil, but the effectiveness again will vary in individuals. Common myths about hair growth products include claims of instant results, one-size-fits-all solution and permanent hair regrowth, without addressing the underlying causes like genetics and hormonal imbalances. Thank you for watching Dermis with Dermats. We will be back with interesting videos on skin and hair care soon. If you have any queries regarding hair growth actives, please drop your doubts in the comment section below.